So if
Yeah.
you, Timur, someone hit reset on all your stuff and you have a business, you want to get your name out there locally, we're talking.
Yeah.
Take me through the first 5 things you would do.
So first of all, I build a website. You can use a template that's mobile friendly, first of all, because I believe most of your traffic nowadays is mobile friendly. You set up a site hierarchy, a site map. So you have about a homepage, about us, a contact page, book an appointment, all your services, okay? And then products if you also sell products online or it's an e-commerce store. So you want to build that website. You want to, like I said, people can send me a message in Instagram. I'll send them the SEO checklist. So I'll make sure my website is well built. It looks good. It represents the brands. It communicates the unique values that we have, and it uses unique photos. Okay. Second thing, I would go to Bright Local or SEMrush. I would submit my local listing, get verified first of all. Right now with Google My Business, it's a bit more complicated. You need to go and shoot a video of the store, so it's not as easy, but that would be the first thing. And then I would get friends and family and your clients to leave reviews on it as soon as possible and mentioning the service that they used. And when I'm talking about offline SEO, a lot of business owners, they shy away from that, but it's on you. You should go the extra mile always. And what I like coaching my clients on is before you even start the project, it's like, hey, listen, we're going to do the best we can. Okay. We're going to throw this extra thing for free. If you're happy at the end, would you please help us by leaving an honest review online? Okay. So get them to pre-commit. It went from 2 out of 10 to 8 out of 10 people leaving a review for my clients, at least. So reputation. So website, listings, then all your social media presence, all your listings. So you have TikTok SEO, you have Instagram SEO. The same principles apply. On your bio, you should clearly state what you do and the city that you're in. Just that in itself is going to help people find you. Afterwards, throughout your content, when you write your captions, same principles apply. You want to mention the services that you use, the city and the area that you're featured in, and the same thing with hashtags. Okay, so set all those. Make sure I include my Instagram feed on
Take
my
a minute to write the
website.
captions, everybody. Stop being lazy. Put a little work into that. It's important. All right, keep going.
It's all those little things, the only way to do SEO well is a ton of little things done well. The only way to do a great job in general, I think it's a lot of little things done well. So that's why I'm saying it's a marathon, and you can create a 90-day roadmap and tackle one thing every month. So 1 month you audit all your social media, 1 month all your listings, all your local listings, another month you do your website, and overall you'll see that things are improving. Okay, so afterwards, then fourth in importance, I'm going to create a hyper local landing pages. But okay, no, you know what, for hair salons maybe I wouldn't use that. Then I would think of how am I unique? Okay, what unique things can I do locally online on my website that will engage with my audience more? So what I like to do is you can do interactive quizzes. Okay, so for example, now with AI you can find tools that allows your clients to upload their photo and maybe imagine how they look with different styles.
Yep.
You can build a page with that tool. People love tools, whether it's calculators for different businesses or quizzes or questionnaires, something you run ads to it and you optimize it, you interlink it through your website. So that in itself should generate a lot of engagement with your website that will help with ranking you higher. Okay. And the fifth one is building offline relationships, exchanging links with other people. So when you have a makeup artist and you write about a beauty article, okay, you link to her or him, and they link back to you. So you build those real, authentic relationships. You help each other, and over time, if you continue doing it, if you are on top of your game and you continue building those relationships and looking for offline opportunities to do it, then you'll surpass your competition. Most people don't do like even 20% of that, so it's you'd be surprised at how effective it is. And when you're successful and you really want to stand out and you have the resources, I would donate to local communities, events, kids schools, stuff like that. And they have websites, and usually schools and governmental websites have very high authority. So just make sure that you ask them to link back to your website. So those are the top 5 things I would focus on if I had to start from scratch.
I like that. I like .edus, like local colleges. There's 2 things I like to do. So if you're watching right now and you're in a salon or a barbershop, but mostly salons because sororities, but you could take fraternities too. I like to link up with someone in the sorority to either do a model day, do an event at your salon, get in with the person who writes for the school publication. Now they don't use newspapers, it's going to be online. So maybe do a guest spot, do a weekly or a monthly blog coming from your salon that
Yeah.
links from that .edu website going back to your salon because that's authoritative.